नमस्कार, आदाब, हेलो टू एवरीवन। मेरा नाम मौशमी है और मैं आ गई हूँ यूट्यूब पे। सो दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट ब्लॉग, सुपर एक्साइटेड एंड बिट नर्वस एज वेल। बट हाँ, मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं यूट्यूब चैनल शुरू करूँ एंड हियर एम आई एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट माय YouTube channel and like probably I'm going to have my first video recorded. So कैसे हो आप सभी लोग, ज़रूर मुझे लिख के बताएं। आई एम मोस्टली फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, मैं बैंगलोर में रहती हूँ और यहाँ पर करीबन 9 साल हो गए मुझे यहाँ पर। बेसिकली मैं मुंबई की हूँ, पर हाँ, कमिंग टू द दैट इज़ नॉट द थिंग। बट मैं आज यहाँ पे आई हूँ बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू कि मेरे को बहुत मन था कि मैं अपना यूट्यूब चैनल शुरू करूं। और उसी के साथ साथ लाइक डेफिनेटली दिस चैनल इज़ गोइंग टू बी मोर लाइक गुड स्पेस फॉर वुमेन, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है, जो मैं सीखती हूँ, मैं वो शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। जो मेरी क्रिएटिव साइड है वो मैं दर्शाना चाहती हूँ। और मुझे डेफिनेटली आप लोगों का फीडबैक बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो मैं सीख सकूँ। और एंड आई थिंक हम दोनों सीख सकें। व्हेन आई से हम दोनों, डेफिनेटली माय ऑडियंस एंड मी। तो इसलिए मैं आ गई हूँ। सो lot of things I'm planning to have recorded in my channel, but हाँ, तो मैंने सोचा what best, मतलब मैं क्या करूँ जो कि बेस्ट हो to start with. So what best than get ready with me. तो मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग कर चुकी हूँ और मैं जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन फिल्म कर रही हूँ। बट येस, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट ग्लैम इजी काइंड ऑफ मेकअप मैं दिखा रही हूँ। आप लोगों को ज़रूर पसंद आएगा, होपफुली। आप लोगों का क्या फीडबैक है मुझे ज़रूर लिख के बताना। तो कहीं पे भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, मुझे इम्प्रोवाइज़ करना चाहिए, तो आई विल डेफिनेटली टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन। सो without any further delay, let's get started. सो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल से। सो द फर्स्ट एंड द foremost thing is prepping your skin, so which is again a very important task before you start your makeup. So I usually cleanse my skin with Aha Glow. Again, highly recommended if you would like to use it. It's really good, natural. It says natural, but again, it's really good, and I'm using since 5 years. You can always try this. After this, I usually moisturize my skin with Oriza. It's a good moisturizer, again a very good product to go with. You can also give it a try. After this, I always do apply sunscreen. I'm using Bioderma sunscreen, which I use it for morning as well as for evening or night whenever I'm applying makeup to protect from harsh light. Yes. Now I'm going to moisturize my lips well. I'm using Vaseline moisturizer to prep my lip skin as well. Yeah, so we are almost done and we are going to start the makeup now. So I want to use Nykaa's foundation stick in shade 03, so you can also check out in Nykaa which will suit your skin. So usually I will put on my face wherever I see there is pigmentation or wherever there are dark spots. Sorry. So I usually use this and yeah, so now I'm going to use my brush. Now it's a contour brush. Again, it's a very multi-purpose brush that I use it, and it blends well. Now I want to just use this technique of blending. Yeah, so when I was saying multi-purpose, because I use this brush almost as you will see in my video, I'm going to use it almost every time. Like I
will use this brush at least 2 to 3 times in my makeup, so that's why I call it multi-purpose. So yeah, so I'm just blending it well on my eyelids, on my chin area, on my cheeks. So just blend, 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 and also don't forget your jawline and your neck as well. So yeah, so the foundation is almost done. Now if you want to conceal, you can always do that, but here I'm not concealing. I'm going to just go to the next step, which is I'm going to fix my foundation from a compact powder. Here I'm using Sugar Cosmetics compact powder. Again, as you can see, I'm using the same brush to pack my foundation. Yeah, so just use this across your face, everywhere wherever you have applied foundation. So the Nykaa foundation stick, which I was telling, is quite a light foundation and everyday use foundation. So if you want, you can use this, or you can also use any other foundation which you prefer. So now I'm going to fill my eyebrows. So I'm using a spoolie brush. Now I use this spoolie brush to lift my eyebrows well. Now as you can see, I have very light hair eyebrows, so I usually fill it well. Now if you have good thick eyebrows, I don't think you need to do this, but as I have quite thin eyebrows, I prefer filling it with black eyeshadow. So now I'm going to use Swiss Beauty's eyeshadow palette. I can of course share you the link if you would want to see which shade I use or which eyeshadow palette I use. So do comment me in the comment box. Now as you can see, I'm just I'm just applying my eyeshadow on my eyebrows. So I'm starting from the back side of my eyebrows and slowly building it at the front. So usually, as you know, when I'm taking product, the product is more, so just to dilute well, first I'm going to use the back side of my eyebrows and slowly going to build it at the front as well. Now why I'm doing this is because it should not look too heavy at the beginning of the eyebrows, and it should not look like I have put something artificial. So though I'm using a eyeshadow, but again the entire theme of my makeup is to look natural, so that's what. Now I'm going to keep my my spoolie brush in such a way, in a perpendicular direction, and I'm going to use this. Yeah, it's almost done. I did the another side also. Product at my eyebrow line, so don't worry if such things happen. You can always conceal it, or in this case, like I'm just trying to build it, so I'm again applying my eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow well, and trying to build in my eyebrows using the same shade. So yeah, now this is doable. If it is too much, then of course even I had to put a concealer which is similar to my skin color, but as I could do this, there was a little spread on my eyebrows, so that's fine. Now I'm going to use almost the same shade of my skin from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to just apply it from my fingertips on my eyelids and also a bit at the waterline. It gives me a good canvas so that I can apply my whatever eyeshadow I want well. So this is a small trick that I usually use, so it gives me a smooth canvas before I start makeup. So it's almost done, and yeah, that's it. Now I'm just going to brush up it on my eyebrows. That's it. I'm thinking that's it. Now the main part is I'm going to create a light smoky eyes. So this is going to be the most important part of my makeup tutorial. So I'm just going to use kajal. So I'm using Lakme Absolute kajal. You can use any other available kajal that you have, and you just need to roughly apply kajal on your eyelids. You need not to be perfect in applying, because any which ways we are going to smudge this out, so you can just roughly apply this. waterline is almost done. मैं भी यहाँ पे waterline area में भी कर रही हूँ. अभी हम धीरे धीरे build कर रहे हैं, so need to be really patient while doing this. And almost हमने लगा लिया है. अब हम एक pointed brush लेंगे. Now this is available in any cosmetic shop or drugstore. So you just need to see a pointed brush, and I mean to say you need to buy, and just you have to use that tip and blend it well. तो इसको धीरे धीरे again आपको build करना है, and take your time because this is the most important part of smoky eyes. तो इसको आपको समय लेना है whenever you are doing it. It's going to be a time consuming procedure, but once you do it regularly, I think you're soon going to become pro. So slowly, gradually, just you need to blend. Now quickly we'll do the another eyes as well. So again, here you have to build it slowly. I stretch my eyes and do this, so it's up to you how do you want to build up, but this is the easiest method according to me, so you can also मैं waterline में भी blend कर रही हूँ धीरे धीरे, and slowly as you can see the difference on my face, that the kajal or the black eyeshadow is blended well. फर्क देख सकते हो कि मेरी एक आँख में जैसे इस आँख में थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा आई शेडो लग रही है कंपेयर टू द अनदर वन, तो इसको हम अभी ठीक करेंगे. सो ऑलवेज यूज़ योर फिंगर टिप्स टू फिक्स योर मेकअप, विच आई रेगुलरली यूज़. अगेन मैं थोड़ा सा काजल इस आँख में भी थोड़ी सी अप्लाई कर ले रही हूँ, और अगेन मैं इसको ब्लेंड करूँगी. थोड़ा बहुत एक्स्ट्रा लग जाए तो यू कैन ऑलवेज अप्लाई ऑन योर हेयर एंड रीडू इट. अभी अगर आप कंपेयर करेंगे तो बोथ माय आई lids, you see, are well shaded with the shade of black, and it's looking quite smoky. So this is a light version of smoky eyes. So if you want to have proper smoky eyes makeup, then definitely comment me back, so I would do that. Now अब मैं एक शेड जो मेरे फेस का जो कम्प्लेक्शन का एक शेड डार्कर लेकर मैं थोड़ा सा आईलिड पे इसको ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ विद द ब्लैक, लाइक जस्ट अबव द ब्लैक आई शैडो. This will give you a more natural look. So yes, now again I will go back to my trick. I'm using my fingertips and going to blend it well, so you don't get any harsh lines. That is only the thing. It becomes more smoother and it gives a perfect smudged look. Now just because of eyes and eyebrows, you can see there is a change in my face. Definitely my makeup has lifted my features well. So और थोड़ा डिफाइन करने के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा और काजल अप्लाई कर रही हूँ टू माई वाटर लाइन. Yeah, so it's almost there. Now we are almost done with the eye makeup. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just explaining that it's quick and easy. Yeah, so now I'm going to use a lipstick shade from Bella Vista. Now this is a pink shade which I'm using. I usually use this pink lipstick for giving that blushy pinkish look. So if you have, like, I do have a pink eyeshadow, but I think this really gives me a good coverage and I'm using this from long time. I think I don't remember, but maybe from 5-6 years. तो मैं हमेशा बेला विस्टा का पिंक लिपस्टिक ही खरीदती हूँ जब भी मुझे ब्लश लगाना हो. बट अगेन it's up to you. If you have a pink blush, you can use, and it's more economical also. What I feel is, everybody has a pink lipstick, you can use that. So this way, you can always save a bit on your makeup, and one product could be used multiple ways. So I usually use the lipstick trick. So as you can see, blush really contours, like a bit of contouring भी हो गई है मेरी face में जैसे ही मैंने blush लगाया. अब I'm going to switch on to the contouring part. मैं वही बता रही हूँ यहाँ पे. तो मैंने Insight Cosmetics की contour palette में से मैंने brown shade यूज़ किया है, जैसे मैं भी दिखाने वाली हूँ. Of my fingers, I'm going to warm it a bit, and then I'm going to put it from my hairline till the mid of my cheeks. I'm not going to pull it down. मैं उसको सिर्फ mid of the cheeks तक ले जाने वाली हूँ. Yeah, so that's it. और अब मैं इसको जॉ लाइन में भी लगाने वाली हूँ. और warm up करते हुए I'm going to give a cut, kind of like I'm going to sharpen my nose. That's what people say that I'm going, because I don't have a sharp nose, so this is a small trick that I use to give that sleek nose look. अब मैं फिर से वही ब्रश को यूज़ करते हुए I'm going to use my contour well. I'm going to blend my contour well. So yeah, that goes again to my jawline. मैं jawline में भी इसको अच्छे से blend करूँगी. I realized that I didn't remove my Bluetooth. Yeah. So जैसे ही हम थोड़ा बहुत contour करते हैं तो काफ़ी changes हो जाती हैं. Your face looks more structured, so definitely don't skip this if you really want to have a good good features. You want to lift your features, then definitely contouring is a must. अब जो बारी है लिप्स की, तो अब मैं यूजुअली कोई भी लिप लाइनर नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ, बट आई एम यूजिंग आईब्रो फिलर पेंसिल। तो मैं शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स का ब्राउन शेड है ये, मैं इसको यूजुअली यूज़ करती हूँ, एंड दिस इज़ माई very go to trick that I feel this is better because it's not in the form of pencil, it's a roll on eyebrow pencil, so it is easier, the tip is slimmer, so थोड़ा अपनी कंट्रोल में रहता है, it doesn't goes beyond my lips, so I would always prefer this. Again, it's a small trick, you can also try this. अब यहाँ पे मेरा upper lip जो है थोड़ा सा पतला है, तो मैं इसको कवर करने के लिए जो है मैं यूजुअली थोड़ा सा ऊपर से आउटलाइन करती हूँ मेरे अपर लिप को। So it's almost there, and now I'm going to fill my lips with the same eyebrow pencil. अब जो है लिपस्टिक की बारी, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ आई थिंक शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स लिपस्टिक्स फ्रॉम द रेंज नथिंग एल्स दैट मैटर्स। आई थिंक दिस शेड इज आई थिंक 10 विच आई यूज़ इट। अब मैं इसको अपने लिप्स की जो लोअर लिप पे लगा के अच्छे से वेरी ईजी मेथड दैट आई डू। इससे प्रोडक्ट भी ज़्यादा वेस्ट नहीं होता है, और जहाँ पे मेरे को लगेगा कि नहीं थोड़ा सा और लगाना चाहिए, यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दैट। या सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द न्यू शेड्स एंड दिस इज समथिंग आई रियली यूज़ अ लॉट, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज ट्राई दिस। जिनका कम्प्लेक्शन थोड़ा सावला है मेरे जैसा, सो दे कैन ऑलवेज ट्राई दिस। अब आई एम गोइंग टू put on like do my hair, and yeah, so that's it. So I did my hair, I'm going to do my hair here, and I'm going to put a little bit of jewelry, and I had this top, I brought this from Cosy Kulaba. So अब मैं मेरे बालों को थोड़ा कोम करूँगी, and yeah, so we are almost there, and now this is jewelry, this is a gifted jewelry from my brother, so I'm going to just put on my jewelry as well. So it's done, as you can see. I'm done with my makeup, my clothing, my hair, and my jewelry is on. So do let me know, did you like my makeup tutorial? It's a very simple and use of minimalistic products, and anybody who doesn't want to spend too much in makeup can always go for buying such products. Very less products, but yes, you can see it really works well. But these are the basic things that you can always have in your vanity, and you can do a lot of things from these minimalistic products. So yeah, so here am I. If you like this video, then definitely click like, comment back, and if you have any suggestions